Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I don't always have the time or opportunity to wash my hair every day. And on those days, I love having this Give Me Clean Hair Dry Shampoo. It's such a game changer to be able to refresh my hair and take away the oiliness if I'm running late or I can't wash my hair. And I also like to use it before or after going to the gym. Sometimes I'll use it just to add a little volume to my hair. And it's so easy to use. You just spray it on the oily areas and you can blend it with your fingertips or you can brush the product through. This Give Me Clean Hair Dry Shampoo is such a staple and I love having it in my beauty bag. And that's my point of view.